Hi guys, welcome to my mini vlog. So for today, I'm gonna show you my payday budol for February. So these are my Feb payday sale budol. Here, I also have this one, the Bremon, but I'll show you um how nice they are. First one is this blush on from Ever Belena. This one is in the shade Golden Hour. Actually, guys, this is my favorite blush on, powder blush. And super nice nito. Pangalawa ko na siya, so napabili na ako and I only got it for 160 plus pesos. Pero this one, this is my old one and can you see? Can you see that? Wala nang laman. Wala na. So that's the signal. This is a signal for me to, buy a new one na. And I thankful ako dahil nag-sale nga si Ever Belena. But this is so nice. This is a nice shade. If naghahanap kayo ng parang natural, pinkish na blush, this one is so nice. Golden Hour. Next one is the Get Ready With Me. I got the face card customized face palette. This. But I think this is a pressed highlighter. Ang concern ko lang is wala akong paglalagyan na kasi I got the Get Ready With Me, yung pinaka-case nito. I'll show you. This one. So, this one naman, tingnan mo naman yan. Sign na may anak ka, na toddler. Ang mga makeup mo ay puro sulat. Kung hindi sulat, puro basag. Ayan, so, ito naman, sa case nito, ang nilagay ko is parang contour. It's a powder contour and then there I think this one is a bronzer. So there. Ay, ba't yung camera ko? And by the way guys, I am now using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hindi nyo ba napapansin ang ganda ng quality ng camera ko? Sorry. Okay, next. So I also got this squad. This is their contour and blush on the glow, in the shade On the Glow. So, I got the highlighter and then yung kanilang blush on and then contour and then meron ding bronzer. The reason why I got the On the Glow shade is because yung ito kasing part ng blush on niya is very mauve pinkish lang siya. So, this is very nice. Magagamit ko talaga siya for everyday or pag aalis ako kung ayokong. And I only got this for I think 150 plus 57 I think if I'm not mistaken. And then also I got Detail. This is their contour and blush palette. Ayan, this is super nice shade. So I got the other one of this pero yung medyo lighter yung shade niya. Mapapansin mo dun sa kanyang blush on, medyo may pagka parang light lang siya. Parang same sila nito ni Ever Belena yung sa Golden Hour. Ayan. Okay, and this is super nice. Like, if you're traveling, although this one is ganito siya, medyo, pwede mo na lang siya isingit sa bag. And if you're traveling, you can just bring this. Kasi nandito na lahat eh. May highlighter na siya, may finishing powder, may contour, may bronzer, and then dalawa yung shade ng blush on niya. Okay. And then, the next thing that I bought is this Bremod Ultra Fix Hairspray. So, meron ako matagal ko nang ginagamit, tong 10-in-1 hair cream serum niya. This one, guys, the thing that I want or that I like about this serum or hair cream serum nila, sobrang bango. As in, alam niyo yung amoy ng Baccarat? Malapit yung amoy niya dun. Kaya, I really love Baccarat scent. So, that's the reason why I got this. And ang ganda niya rin sa hair. But, the only problem or the only concern that I have to this is sobrang oily ng hair ko. Like, kasi every other day ako nag-wash ng hair. And then, medyo nag-oily siya na yung hair ko, napapansin ko medyo oily. Ayoko kasi ng ganun. That's why I put shampoo on the top of my hair and then conditioner sa may baba. So, ayun lang. Pero, this one is very a good deal. Ultra Fix Hairspray naman. Actually, guys, I got this because lagi akong, nag-ano kasi ako, nag-blower ako. And, I something na makakapag-protect ng hair ko. As you can see, pinapahaba ko na kasi siya, and wala. I just want my hair to be like bagsak lang, and then yun. Na para bang naliligo ka araw-araw. Ganun rin ang atake. Charot. So, and super nice din ang amoy nito ha. Super nice. Magkaiba sila ng amoy, itong dalawang to. Pero this one, mabango din siya, and naglalast long yung amoy niya, as in, buong araw. Ito kasi hindi naman masyado. So, siguro pagkatapos mo maligo and then nag-apply ka, maglalast yung scent ng mga 4 hours. Ganon. Pero pag ito, I guarantee you, buong araw. Sobrang bango. And this one, I'm not really sure, but I think I got it for 100 plus, or 200, or 100. Yeah, yun lang. And then, last purchase that I have, pero hindi ko to binili nung payday sale, nung tuto ko to binili. This one is, case ng Osmo Pocket 3 ko. Yes guys, nakabili na ako nang hindi alam ng asawa ko, huwag kayo maingay. Kasi nag-sale siya sa Shopee, and 18,000 ko lang siya nakuha. Imagine. So, nung bagong labas kasi ito, I think nasa 40,000 to, or 35, something, ganon. And then, matagal ko na kasi siya talaga inaabangan. Sabi ko, sige, nung sale nung January, nakita ko, nasa 19K siya. So, sabi ko, sige na daddy, kunin ko na, kasi sobrang mura na. And gusto ko din talaga yung quality ng camera niya when it comes to vlogging. Pero, para kasi that time, marami pa kaming, bayarin, and kakasama lang ng asawa ko sa barko. So, kailangan muna namin mag-ipon. And magbayad-bayad ng mga utang, of course, na nandito siya. So, itong February, bago ko siya i-check out, actually, nakita ko kasi 18K na lang. So, sabi ko, kailangan ko na ito i-check out. Kahit hindi ko na ipagpaalam. Pero nagpaalam naman ako na hindi niya alam na nakabili na pala ako. Sabi ko, sige na, payagan mo na akong muli, 18K lang. Hindi niya ako pinayagan. Kasi daw, kukuha daw kami ng sasakyan. Which is, hanggang ngayon wala pa naman. So, sabi ko, sige na nga, hindi ko naman kukunin yung pambayad ko sa savings namin. Sa, sa sobra ng sweldo ko. So, ayun, pumikit na lang ako, and then, tada! Dito na siya. But I'm really, really happy that I chose the Osmo Pocket 3 kasi pinagpipilian ko siya between Insta 360 kasi I really want to do a, shopping, yung grocery vlog, mga ganon, or yung content na for groceries. But sabi ko, parang siguro mas okay si Pocket 3 since I also want to cook din ang gusto kong gawing content. So, ayun lang. So, these are my budol for February payday sale. Let's see naman sa katapusan and sa March 3. Yun lang. Bye!